Welcome to the Eco Mobile and Web Platform, your one-stop shop for renting or buying property. Our platform comprises of 3 interconnected apps, one for the user, one for the property admin, and one for the property tour guide. As a user, you can select properties listed on the platform through a cart system. Once you've added a minimum of 5 properties, you can set a property tour date and pickup time and pay through the platform. The admin takes your request and sends it to location-based property tour guides available on the platform. The guides can either accept or reject the request. If they accept, they'll contact you through a number provided and confirm the property tour date and pickup time. After the tour, the guide will complete the transaction through the platform, which is received by the admin for confirmation of tenancy or property sale. And that's it. With the Eco Mobile and Web Platform, renting or buying property has never been easier. Download the app today and start your property journey.